we will study Grammar Chapter 25 Conjunction. Conjunctions are joining words that connect words, phrases, or sentences. There are two types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. We use coordinating conjunctions to connect two main or coordinating clauses. The coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, so, and so on. Now let's see the uses of coordinating conjunctions. And is used to combine two things that are similar and equal. Example, I play the piano and my sister plays the guitar. But is used to show contrast. Example, Juhi came to the party but she left early. Or is used to show a choice or an alternative. Example, you could wear jeans or trousers. So is used to show that something resulted due to something else. Example, we were getting bored, so we played a game. Now let's see what are subordinating conjunctions. We use subordinating conjunctions to connect a main clause with a subordinate clause. The subordinating conjunctions are when, if, because, although, until, since, unless, and so on. Now let's see the uses of subordinating conjunctions with examples. When is used to indicate the time when something happened or will happen. Example, Simi was having lunch when the telephone rang. If is used to show that something will happen only when something else happens or comes true. Example, we will watch the show if we get the tickets. Because is used to indicate a reason why something happened or will happen. Example, he went to the library because he wanted to study. Although is used to show that in spite of something there was a result that was different and unexpected. Example, we didn't win the match although we played well. Until is used to indicate time. Example, we played outside until it was dark. Since is used to indicate cause or time. Example, Renu was absent since she was not feeling well. For is used to indicate a proof or explanation of something that is being stated. Example, I gave him some water for he was thirsty. Before is used to indicate a time that is earlier to what is being mentioned. Example, the meal was ready before the guest arrived. Unless is used to refer to a necessary condition for a result. Example, you will not succeed unless you work hard. While is used to indicate that something happened at the same time as something else. Example, I listen to music while my father read a book. Thank you.